Forget everything you thought you knew about park maintenance. What if I told you the most efficient and most entertaining way to keep parks beautiful doesn't involve noisy machinery or chemicals, but a herd of bleating, four-legged gardeners? Our parks face the same challenges as many others: invasive plants, overgrown brush, and stubborn weeds that threaten to take over. In the past, the solution was machinery and sprays, effective but costly, loud, and not exactly friendly to the environment. So our park service tried something different. They turned to goats. But why goats? Well, because they're natural browsers. They happily eat plants that most other animals avoid, they fertilise the soil as they go, and they reach places where mowers can't. The result is a healthier landscape managed without chemicals at a fraction of the cost. It's efficient, sustainable, and, let's be honest, far more fun to watch. But the goats have brought us more than just practical benefits. Each one has a personality. Some are bold explorers, others are content to munch quietly in one spot. Visitors stop to watch them, and what began as a maintenance experiment has turned into a community favourite. Although our dog Franklin was clearly not impressed. So here's my question for you. What other creative, sustainable ideas do you think we should embrace to build a greener future? Leave your thoughts in the comments.